From stubborn green to champion red, tomato secrets and their amazing secret weapon. We've been caring for the green tomatoes for weeks. We fertilized them and watered them diligently. The fruit is now large and plump. But why are they still green? They're not turning red. Did we do something wrong? Before we get into the red tomatoes, let's talk about them. Look at the skin of this red tomato, which has turned yellow and looks dry, which we can see clearly through a microscope. Coming to the discussion at the beginning, what if there is something that this green tomato is preparing before it finally shows its true colors? This is a very common question, and the answer often comes down to two things: temperature and nutrition. Look at the red tomato skin. It looks like it was torn by animal claws, but it wasn't. Tomatoes are a picky fruit. To start producing the red pigment lycopene, they need a comfortable temperature, not too extreme. If the temperature is too hot, above 32 degrees Celsius, or even too cold, the process of making lycopene can be hampered or even stopped completely. In addition, nutritional imbalances, for example plants with too many leaves due to excess nitrogen or a lack of potassium. Can make the plant focus on survival rather than ripening the fruit. So, that stubborn green tomato isn't being naughty. It's probably just stressed. At first glance, the surface of the outer skin of the red tomato looks like snake skin. It looks like it is scaly. So, what's the solution for green tomatoes that refuse to turn red? If weather conditions are beyond our control, we can trick the tomatoes. Tomatoes produce natural ethylene gas, which triggers ripening. By picking fruit that has started to turn yellow and storing it at room temperature in a paper bag. We concentrate the ethylene gas so the fruit can ripen perfectly indoors. This is patience that ultimately bears sweet fruit, or rather, red fruit. This is the magical moment we've been waiting for. The color change isn't just about aesthetics. It's a sign that the tomato's superhero lycopene is being produced in large quantities. Lycopene is the pigment that gives its bright red color, and it's no ordinary dye. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant. Think of lycopene as a special force that is always on standby in our bodies after we eat red tomatoes. Their job: fighting free radicals, the cause of cell damage that can trigger various diseases. And this is where they excel. I'll organize the main benefits of lycopene from red tomatoes for you. The information below is based on available search results. The first health benefit and main function of lycopene is to act as a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Benefits for the heart and blood vessels: lowering bad cholesterol LDL, increasing good cholesterol HDL, and helping control blood pressure. Benefits for human skin are protecting the skin from damage caused by UV rays, reducing redness, and helping the skin healing process. Vitamin C also stimulates collagen production for firm skin, and other potentials include helping maintain bone health and lung function. And amazingly, the thin, sticky skin of tomatoes is actually a major defense. The skin contains a very high level of lycopene. We strongly recommend eating tomatoes with skin on to get the maximum benefits. Don't worry if the skin sometimes looks a little dry or has yellow spots. As long as it's not rotten, simply cut it off. It's usually just a sunburn or physical injury to the skin, and it doesn't reduce the lycopene content. So, this red superhero is ready to support our health. But how do you maximize its power? Eating ripe tomatoes regularly is key. You can eat them raw, juice them, or cook them. The cooking process actually makes the lycopene in tomatoes more easily absorbed by our bodies. So, homemade tomato sauce is not only delicious, but it's also the kerosene that fuels our inner lycopene superhero. So, the next time you see a stubborn green tomato, remember, it's on its way to becoming a rewarding red hero. The process requires patience, both from the plant and from us. Let's appreciate every step of the process, and most importantly, incorporate this mighty red into our plates. Our bodies will thank us. If you have any exciting experiences with stubborn green tomatoes or your favorite red tomato recipes, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting explorations in the world of plants and health.